Next exercise the fourth question. Fourth question, what is given, sir? Modulus of z is equal to 3 is given. We have to show that 7 is less than or equal to modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i less than or equal to 13 proof. How to prove this one, sir? எப்படி சார் ப்ரூவ் பண்றது? நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பாருங்க. இந்த மாடுலஸ் வேல்யூ வந்து எடுத்துறேன். மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் z plus 6 minus 8i. இத z1 எடுத்துறேன். இத z2 எடுத்துறேன். So modulus of z1 plus z2 அப்படினா which is always less than or equal to modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2. This is a property. So applying the property, this can be written as less than or equal to modulus of z plus modulus of 6 minus 8i, which is equal to that is only equal to modulus of z is 3 plus modulus of 6 minus 8i. Modulus of 6 minus 8i is root of 6 square, real part square is 36 plus 8 square is 64, imaginary part, which is equal to 3 plus 64 plus 36 100. So the root of 100 answer is 10, so which is equal to 13. So therefore modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i is less than or equal to 13. This is the first condition. And then the same modulus can be written as greater than or equal to modulus of z minus modulus of 6 minus 8i. That is negative concept. Minus of minus. The negative concept, minus of minus. Negative concept. So which is equal to modulus of z value 3 minus root of 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64. So which is equal to modulus of 3 minus root of 100 is 10. Which is equal to modulus of 3 minus 10, which is equal to minus 7 and plus 7. So the second concept is z plus 6 minus 8i is always greater than or equal to 7. This is called equation number 2. From the two equations we get 7. We get this result. From the two equations we get the result. 7 less than or equal to modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i less than or equal to 13. We can do the same model sums for exercise of the question and example 2. The same model sum for exercise of the question example 2.13. Example 2.13. We can do the same model in this sum. Next exercise 6th question. Given is modulus of z minus 2 by z is equal to 2 is given. This is the given value. We have to find the least and the greatest value for modulus of z. Answer is also given. So that the greatest and least value is root 3 plus 1 is given and the least value is root 3 minus 1 is given. Root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1 respectively. We have to verify that this is the greatest value, this is the least value. How to verify it, sir? So first I have to take the modulus. So modulus of z minus 2 by z. Minus is always greater than or equal to modulus of z minus modulus of 2 by z. So modulus of z1 minus z2 is always greater than or equal to modulus of z1 modulus of z1 minus modulus of z2. So this one is, you know, this value, that is 2. 2 is greater than or equal to modulus of this value can be written as modulus of z minus 2 divided by modulus of z. So this value, you know, the total modulus, that is write this term in reverse process. Modulus of z minus 2 divided by modulus of z. This value is less than or equal to 2. You know the property, modulus of z is less than 5 dina. Modulus of z is less than 5 dina. This is a meaning for that is less than or equal to 5 dina. We have to take this number from minus to plus. In between the two numbers, we have to write z only, not modulus. So modulus of z is less than or equal to 5. Now this implies what? Minus 5 less than or equal to z less than or equal to plus 5. So for this can be written as modulus of z. This can be written as minus 2 less than or equal to modulus of z minus 2 divided by modulus of z less than or equal to plus 2. So this is changed into this format. So we will be getting the two formats. First one less than or equal to, second one greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. Right. So this format, I have to take this one separately and this one separately. So for minus 2 is less than or equal to modulus of z minus 2 divided by modulus of z. Multiplying throughout by modulus of z, we get minus 2 times of modulus of z less than or equal to modulus of z square minus 2. This minus goes the right side is modulus of z square plus 2 times of modulus of z minus 2. This is greater than or equal to 0. And then second concept, this value modulus of z minus 2 divided by modulus of z is less than or equal to 2. Is less than or equal to 2. So for this 2 comes to the left side is modulus of z minus 2 degrees. Multiplying throughout by modulus of z, we get modulus of z square minus 2, which is less than or equal to 2 times of modulus of z. And then this value comes to the left side, modulus of z square minus 2 times of modulus of z minus 2 is always less than or equal to 0. Is always less than or equal to 0. We get the two conditions, sir. So this one is greater than or equal to 0. This one is less than or equal to 0. We get the two conditions. Greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 0. Right. From the first one, we have to find the values. How to find out, sir? Modulus of z squared plus 2z minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 is getting. From the second one, modulus of z squared minus 2 into modulus of z minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. I have to choose the first one. From the first one, it is modulus of z squared plus 2 times of modulus of z minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So this implies modulus of z square plus 2 times of modulus of z, adding plus 1 and subtracting minus 1 to this term. So we get this term is also greater than or equal to 0. This term is also greater than or equal to 0. This implies modulus of z plus 1 from these three terms can be written as modulus of z plus 1 the whole square minus this can be written as 3 is greater than or equal to 0. This 3 goes to the right side is, this 3 goes to the right side is greater than or equal to plus 3. whole square is coming. Taking root on both sides, we get modulus of z plus 1 is greater than or equal to root 3. This plus 1 goes right side is modulus of z is greater than or equal to root 3 minus 1. So, but this is the least value. Modulus of z is greater than or equal to means this is the least value. This is a least value. And using the second concept. Second concept is modulus of z square minus 2 into modulus of z minus 2 is less than or equal to 0 is given. This is the second concept, right? So from this one you have to write minus adding plus 1 to minus 1 which is less than or equal to 0. This implies, so using these three one, this can be written as modulus of z minus 1 the whole square minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. This implies modulus of z minus 1 the whole square is less than or equal to minus 3 goes right side is plus 3. So the modulus of taking root on both sides, we get modulus of z minus 1 less than or equal to root 3. This minus 1 goes right side is plus 1. So less than or equal to root 3 plus 1. So this is a greatest value. This is a greatest value. So the least value we have to prove the least value and greatest values are root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. Right. Next, seventh question. Modulus of z1 is equal to 1 is given. Modulus of z2 is equal to 2. Modulus of z3 is equal to 3. And modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 is equal to 1. These are the given values. You have to verify that modulus of this term is equal to 6. Right, sir. First one, modulus of z1 is equal to 1 is given. Modulus of z1 is equal to 1 is given. Modulus of z1 is equal to 1 now. From this one, you have to write what? Modulus of z1 is equal to 1. This implies modulus of z1 square is equal to 1. This implies z1 into z1 bar is equal to 1. This implies which value you want, z1 bar or z1. So any one value is equal to reciprocal of the other one. Reciprocal of the another one. So it is modulus of z1 at the same time. Modulus of z2 is equal to 2. This implies modulus of z2 square. Squaring on both sides we get 4. This implies z2 into z2 bar is equal to 4. This implies z2 bar is equal to 4 divided by z2. Right. Third concept, modulus of z3 is equal to 3. This implies modulus of z3 square is equal to 9. This implies z3 into z3 bar is equal to 9. This implies z3 bar is equal to 9 divided by z3. Right. We get the three concepts. Next comes to, you have to use in this one. Next comes to the given value. This value how to prove? This value is equal to 6. Okay. I have to take this one. So this can be written as modulus of z1, z2, z3 into 9 by z3 plus 4 by z2 plus 1 by z1. This modulus can be written as, I have to take z1, z2, z3 is common for these three terms. z3 is missing, so you can divide by z3. z2 is missing, divide by z2. z1 is missing, divide by z1. Right. This is in the form of z1, z2, z3. This is a complex number. So product of these values is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 into modulus of z3 into modulus of 9 by z3 plus 4 by z2 plus 1 by z1. So right. So how to find out this values are? 9 by Z3. 9 by Z3 is equal to 9 by Z3, that is modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2 into modulus of Z3 into modulus of 9 by Z3. 9 by Z3 is equal to Z3 bar plus 4 by Z2 is equal to Z2 bar plus 1 by Z1 is equal to Z1 bar. So this can be written as modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2 into modulus of Z3 into modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 the whole bar. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 the whole bar, right? Next step. Next step, you have to write this one. So which is equal to modulus of Z1, modulus of Z2, modulus of Z3, total bar, that is Z and Z bar, both are equal. So modulus of Z is equal to modulus of Z bar. So modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3, the whole bar is equal to this value, which is equal to modulus of Z1 is 1, modulus of Z2 is 2, modulus of Z3 is 3, modulus of this value is also 1. So which is equal to answer 6. Which is equal to answer 6. Proof over.